G'day everybody, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to another episode where we're going to have another look at a new feature rolling out to Teams, and that's the custom, well not custom, but background effects during your meetings. So when you turn your video on during a Teams meeting, you've now got the ability to add background effects to your video stream. Now, one of the limitations, or so we thought, was that you could only use the pre-existing images and backgrounds that are provided to you. But it turns out that there is a little workaround that you can actually upload your own images and use those as backgrounds. Now, while I don't consume a lot of other content, I do consume other people's comments, and I did anticipate that there would be a lot of commentary around this lack of ability to be able to use your own custom backgrounds. But it turns out there is this workaround. Now, I came across it, Army, from Army Diamond on LinkedIn. So thanks, Army, for sharing that and tagging me in that post. I'll link to that. I'll link to that either in the comments or in the actual post itself. And it turns out that there's a path that on your Windows device. Now, I'll drag over the actual path itself so that you can have a look at that. Now, it's in App Data, Microsoft Teams, Backgrounds, and then Uploads. So if you copy that and you paste and you open that up in Windows Explorer, what's going to happen is that you're going to be presented with, well, what would be a blank folder. Now, I've got two images already in there, okay? So I've already pasted two images in, and let's have a look at what effect that has. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start a Meet Now meeting, and let's just call this custom background, and let's just meet now. So what we're going to do is click the three little dots, and we're going to click on Show Background Effects. Now, by default, you'll get all these out of the box images and backgrounds that we can use. But if I keep scrolling down, what we'll see is those two images that I've uploaded into that Uploads folder. So if I now click on this and I hit Apply, you'll see that I've got that custom background. Now, if I switch over again, I've now got another custom background, although my head looks a bit weird on that background. Those are the images that we had displayed in that Uploads folder. So there's a little workaround as to how you can use your custom images as backgrounds using that background effects feature that's just rolling out to Microsoft Teams. So I hope that brings you some value, and there is that little workaround that you can use if you want to add your own images to that background effects functionality. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.